Well, hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and before we talk about the awesome Walgreens haul today, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Well, of all the apps to save money and to get ahead with couponing and just the budget for your household, this one's my favorite. You basically download the app, use my referral code, and photograph your first receipt, and you're given 2,000 points. It's that easy. It could be a pack of gum or an egg McMuffin you bought last week. My referral code is right there on the screen too. A couple days ago, I was in Walmart and I bought some Flintstone vitamins, and I got back just under 100 points for that. So it's a really terrific app, and for items that's in their catalog, you get back extra points for those purchases. It's absolutely tremendous. Many of you who follow me over on Instagram know that we remodeled our basement after a really bad flood. Well, I used a couple Home Depot gift cards that paid for boxes of nails and some paint. And for projects like that where you can just pool together some of your points and get a larger gift card, well, it's kind of awesome, especially if you're a homeowner, because these projects can be very costly. So if you've never heard of this app, sign up today. It's a tremendous app. All the information is linked in the notes, and I absolutely love it. I mean, you get points towards any receipt, and that adds up quickly. And especially for a project like this renovation, it's absolutely tremendous. Okay, and before I talk about the haul, I also wanted to talk about Ibotta. They put this out on their Instagram page yesterday, and yes, there is in fact a problem where a lot of people were getting their accounts deactivated on Thursday and Friday and probably Saturday as well. Hang tight, guys. Send a quick message to account support@ibotta.com. They're trying to fix this, so this is some sort of internal error probably or something. But I mean, I saw 24 accounts get flagged from big influencers. So it's just really bizarre. Just be careful with this again, guys, and send them a message. I didn't do any Ibotta shopping this weekend, just in case I would get closed down too. I want to wait till this is working and up and running again, but they are on it, just to let you guys know. And today Walgreens went perfectly. I need to go buy a lottery ticket because I think this is the first time in months where every digital coupon worked, and I have a deal where this was a $4 moneymaker, believe it or not, for Razor City here. And then we also have some fantastic deals using digital coupons and some Walgreens cash to get very inexpensive Tide and Cottonelle. And I just want to talk at the end a little bit about Dollar General and some news about their quarter sale for the remaining Christmas merchandise at the very end, and why a lot of you who are newer to couponing, you should probably consider shopping at Dollar General, especially on Saturdays. Because guys, I used a couple of cards yesterday and look at this. I mean, $11 for all of this. That's totally what it's about. That's $100 of merch, and I absolutely love Dollar General. Weather report for you guys, kind of a colder one out here today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. We have this little calico girl here today, and she's having a little bit of a snack there. Hello. Oh, she's busy. But hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, first store that we have is Walgreens. And information for you guys about those boosters for curbside pickup. They are not working with items that are on sale or on clearance. It's just on regular priced items, and you have to do it with a curbside pickup. So they're not working this week. Maybe next week they'll work, but I went and bought $30 of merchandise today, guys, in store. And if that curbside coupon would activate, it would have been today, but it absolutely didn't for me. So, but I still got a fantastic deal. The manager actually rang me up. So if the 10 off of 30 or a 5 off the 25 would have came off, I would have just stopped the transaction and thrown something else or got the deal, got a couple more razors or something like that to get things to balance. But it still worked beautifully for me. So this is the deal that I did. I got $20 of these chic razors. The promotion for this is when you spend $20, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Plus I had a digital booster that was $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. And then I also had this paper one that I stacked as well. And believe it or not, guys, it actually worked. So this guy was $5.99. This one was $5.99. It also had a $3 Peely coupon affixed to the product, and this was $8.99. So altogether for these razors, it was $20.97. Well, this one that I was using, it's 6 back when you spend 30, so I'm not exactly at that $30 mark. So I threw in this for $9.99. This morning, a $5 digital showed up for this, a $4 digital showed up for this, and a $3 digital showed up for this. And all of my digital coupons came off. So the total for all of these razors, guys, is $30.96. I got the cashier to scan this, plus my $3 Peely. And then the following digitals came off that include a $3 for the Skintimate, a $4 for the Schick, and a $5 for the Gillette. My new total was $15.96. I had to pay cash out of pocket. I can't use my Walgreens cash to pay this down because there are so many spend offers. So I paid that. So use your debit card, credit card, cash, pennies, whatever you have. Don't use your Walgreens cash. So I paid $15.96 out of pocket. And then I got back $6 of Walgreens cash for the this booster. I got back $5 of Walgreens cash for the spend 20, get back 5,000 digital. And then as I spent $20 on this, I also got back another $5. And then I got back a $4 register reward for this, making this transaction free plus a $4.04 money maker. What a tremendous deal. Okay, so the next little dealio that we have is in conjunction with buy 3 get 1 for free on the Tide products, and they're $4.99 each. So for 4 of them, you're only going to pay for 3, guys. It's $14.97 at a price point of $4.99 a pop. Using two $2 coupons from the January P&G for both the liquid and the pods. Unfortunately, no digital coupons that I could stack with this, but at the subtotal of $10.97, I threw in $10 of Walgreens cash from this, and then I had to pay 97 cents out of pocket. Yes, it is a loss of $10 of Walgreens cash, but to get like 4 things of Tide, that's totally what it's about, and what a fantastic deal. And the Cottonelle, this little pack is $5.99 this week. We have a $1 digital coupon, so it drops it down to $4.99. And I just threw in $5 of Walgreens cash, and I paid tax for this guy. How wonderful is that? And then I also got this after I bought all those razors, and it's $5 off a personal care item. So I'm really delighted to use this in the future. It's a store coupon, and as you can see, it expires on the 14th of February, so right until Valentine's Day. Okay, guys, and with the Christmas clearance, lots of stores it's at 80. Will it jump to 90 like this week? We're not sure. If it does, I will absolutely let you guys know here on the community tab or over on my Instagram. Just a ton of stuff still left, lots of bags and bows. 90% would be really cool, so we'll just have to wait and play this one by ear. It'll either be a Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Guys, as stated earlier, Dollar General is absolutely on fire. I think it's just one of these stores that if you're new to couponing and you want to build up a stockpile really quickly, this is the store that you should probably learn because it's absolutely fantastic. And their quarter Christmas sale, where the remaining Christmas merch, that's at 70% right now. It will be 25 cents on Tuesday the 19th. So like items like, you know, this 4 count of bags, you know, a quarter for that. These cute little Mrs. Claus, like it's for baking goods, that sort of thing. You can put anything in there. 25 cents. They're so stinking cute. I would recommend to go to your store before Tuesday and scout around, see what they have air care wise, see what they have Christmas wise, and then just really get organized, guys, for a fantastic Christmas event. I'm really looking forward to Tuesday morning. On social media, there'll be a ton of information, and I'll make a video on how I personally prep for this, and I think there will be air care with overage also that will be kicking back like freebies and stuff. So we'll talk about that as well, probably in tomorrow's video, but I'm really looking forward to this sales event. And I can't stress it enough, if you've been kind of shy to shop at Dollar General or you're just not sure, I produce about 2 videos a week that are tutorials for either the Gain or 5 off of 25 or just a hot deal like the toilet paper that's continuing this week over at the Dollar General. You got to check it out. Saturday's the day with the 5 off of 25 to get such massive savings. Like I got some of my baskets down to $2.50. It's absolutely worth it, and there's nothing I enjoy more than on a Saturday to go and hit up a bunch of stores and look around and just like find deals. It's absolutely fantastic. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.